Ever wonder how a microwave heats your food so fast? No flames, no preheating like an oven. Just press a button and it's warm. The waves started water, not the plate, not the air, just the water in your food. When the water observes those waves, it starts vibrating fast. Vibrating molecules collide. Collision is just another word for heat. That's why dry food barely heat. That's why the center of your burrito stays cold. The waves don't always reach the middle, so the heat has to spread on its own. Radiation sounds scary, but not all radiation is dangerous. Sunlight is radiation. Radio is radiation. Microwaves